What up, everybody? Ben Oberg from Millionaire Mafia. I want to teach you guys how to find e-commerce products in 2019. That was not necessary at all. Let me put this back. Okay. So, how to find e-commerce products in 2019. First thing is, a lot of people like to just list what they like, okay? That doesn't mean that it's an industry-proven seller. You don't want to list products that just you think are cool. It doesn't work. Have to be market tested. So that's the first thing. It's got to be market tested and proven, okay? That's the first thing. It's got to be market tested and proven. This would be so much easier if I was right-handed, okay? So that's the first thing, market tested and proven. What that means is we know it sells. Great way to do that is to use Oberlo. Very similar to my last name. Oberlo, okay? You want to use Oberlo. Oberlo is simply a place where you can search out products, identify if they're trending or not, and then you're actually able to link them to your e-commerce store. Like, you can literally click a button and it imports straight to your e-commerce store. So not only is it like highly effective to find products, but it's also like, hey, really automated. You can click it, boom, it's on your store, and now you can be selling it, and you can like edit the pictures or change the text. Like, it's really, really, really easy. So we want to use Oberlo, okay? Just go to Oberlo. It should be popping up right here. Once you're on Oberlo, you put like your email and password, and boom, you're in, okay? Once you're in, it'll immediately bring you to a dashboard. You'll see you can like pair your Shopify account. You can go to like your import list, which is where you like click products that you want to bring over to your store. But most importantly is you're going to pick a niche. I suggest that you pick one niche. And the reason that I say that, this is just marketing 101. You don't want to be, master of none and have 10 different things, okay? You don't want to sell 10 different cars that you don't know anything about. Try to sell them, try to market each one of them, and then realize you know nothing about them, and that's why you're not selling them. E-commerce is no different, okay? So pick a niche, pick one niche, stick to one niche, because when you're trying to market 10 different products in 5 different niches, that's 5 different markets. Really, it's 5 different markets. The people that need adult underwear versus the people that need Toys R Us toys, completely different people. The people that need the adult underwear or the adult diapers, they're probably chilling in their 70s, their 80s, their 90s, chilling in the nursing home playing bingo, okay? The people that are buying Toys R Us toys, okay, which, by the way, Toys R Us is no longer in business due to e-commerce, are the 30, 40, 50-year-old parents that are like, hey, I want my 2-year-old, 5-year-old, or 6-year-old to have something. They're not at the adult diaper stage yet, okay? They're just not there. They're not at that point in life. When you're marketing 10 different niche products, guess what? You're not zoning in. You're not effective. You're not going to make sales. So you want to pick one niche to start off with, and you want to start searching them out on Oberlo. Now, what's a good way to do that? In Oberlo, you can search by like a minimum order amount, okay? When you start searching, you're going to see over on the left side right here, it'll say like order quantity. Now, you want to put like a minimum number of maybe 75, and then you can leave it open from there, okay? Don't cap on like how many have been sold. What this does for you is it's only going to show you products that have sold, at least in this case, 75 times or more in the last 30 days. Now, the higher you put that number, the better. So push that number up. You want to change that to 100? You want to change that to 175? Go ahead. What this simply means is that you now know that this is a product that is sold at least 175 times in the last 30 days, or the last 60 days, or the last 90 days, or whatever. And especially if it's been sold that much in a time when e-commerce is not at its high, like after Christmas or after New Year's, or like not Cyber Weekend or something like that, then you know it's a really good product. And then you know when it's people's birthdays, when it's Cyber Weekend, when it's Black Friday, when it's Cyber Monday, when it's Christmas, when it's before Christmas, when it's before New Year's. Oh my gosh, you're going to make tons of sales. E-commerce is pretty steady throughout the entire year. But please start using Oberlo. And here's the process. You're going to go to Oberlo, okay? You're going to go right to their website, put in an email, put in a password, boom, you're in. It's going to bring you to a dashboard, okay? You can pair your Shopify, you can pair your e-commerce site, but the most important thing is you want to start searching products there. Now, you could be like cooking, drones, toys, wallets, luxury watches, whatever. Things to look out for, make sure that the product has really good reviews. Things to look out for, it helps if the seller is verified. In other words, they're trusted. You'll see it's like a check mark, and then in blue letters it says they're verified. That's really important because that means they're trusted. It means they historically ship products. They show up as described. They're not damaged when they show up. And look at the product to make sure, like, hey, it's got integrity, it's good, it's got good reviews. Typically, I don't want to do anything on it that's any less than like 4 stars. 4.3 is like a really good number, okay? Not hard to find products that have been, reviewed and have at least 4.3 out of 5 stars. Then you look at those analytics to make sure that, hey, it's been sold at least 175 or 200 times in the last 30 days or 300, whatever that number is. The higher it is, the more successful that product is. And once you find like 5 or 6 products here, you can hover over it and it'll say add to import list, okay? It'll say that, and this might pop up here. There might be like a little visual that pops up for you. When you add to the import list, well, then what happens is you can click a button after you've paired your Shopify store, and it will directly import to your Shopify store where you can edit that product more, but now it's listed on your Shopify. That is how to find e-commerce products in 2019. That is how to find trending, proven selling products in 2019. So that way you're not out on a limb like, hey, I think hopefully this will sell. Hopefully this baby duck or this dolphin or like this mural or this toilet paper rack or paper towel dispenser. It's weird. That's weird stuff. Don't be selling rubber ducks and Beanie Babies to people. Like, you'll probably get Herb from Family Guy. Remember Herb from Family Guy? You'll probably get him as a customer, which would just be creepy, or like Quagmire or something. Don't do that. So if you want to learn how to find e-commerce products in 2019, this is a highly effective way to start doing that, sourcing them, and make sure you have industry proven sellers so you're actually going to get sales. Okay? Now, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, drop a comment. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop a comment below. And if you're brand new, make sure to hit that notification bell so you stay notified on all Millionaire Mafia updates. My name is Ben Oberg. I'm here to provide you entrepreneurial value. Been doing this for several years now. Used to work at a 9-to-5. Now make hundreds of thousands of dollars online. I've trained Ty Lopez's students. I've spoken at the same events as Gary Vaynerchuk. I've been invited down to Ty's house to teach his mastermind students. So it's not a small deal. I'm here to stay. I'm here to help you guys. I'm here to provide value and teach you all things entrepreneurial so you can scale and succeed. $1 million is not enough. You got to think bigger. I will see you in the next video.